Hey guys, Robert Pullman here, National Sales Manager for Tivoli Lighting with another enchanting episode of Product Spotlight. Today we are featuring the Flex 120. Hey guys, welcome back to the Flex 120. This product has a 100-foot uninterrupted max run length with no rectifier. That's a plug and play 100 feet of uninterrupted light, either hot wired into a junction box or with an Edison plug. IP65 outdoor rated, 90 CRI, fully encased end cap and power lead inside the extrusion for a very clean look. Multiple mounting options. This can be recessed, this can be surface mounted, it can be in an open channel, or if you just want a simple clean look, mounting clips. So lots of options to choose from there. CCTs, we can go from 2400 to 5000 Kelvin on increments of 24, 27, 30, 35, 40, and 50. So lots of options there. We try to make it versatile to meet your design needs. Now the factory installed power leads and jumpers. The jumpers are available in 6-inch or 1-foot increments to help manage those pesky right angles or rectangles. And at 80 lumens per watt, 6 watts per foot, we have 480 delivered lumens per foot with 28 LEDs. Outstanding. Super bright, super robust, outdoor rated, and we can help with the takeoffs. We can help with shop drawings, we have downloadable IES files, and we can happily consult with your installer to make sure that this is being installed correctly and safely. Thanks for tuning in to another awesome episode of Product Spotlight. Take care.